I'm obsessed how this look turned out. I think this nail is cute, and I think all of them go for a really cute, like, wedding bridesmaidy summer look. Hey guys! If you want to learn how to make this beautiful summery nail look, stick around. I almost imagined it as the index nail being like the bride, with her pale whiter dress holding the bouquet of flowers that's on the tip, and then the other nails being kind of her bridesmaid. So that's just my artistic interpretation of it. After applying the base coat, cure that. Grab one of these small little brushes to make little bends as you're going along, because then that allows you to put flowers in there to sit in. We're gonna cure that now. So now I'm gonna start doing the flowers. I'm using this purpley, deep purpley color for the flowers. For making these, you want to grab a dropping tool, dab a little bit of polish onto the dropping tool, and then drop almost three small drops of the polish onto the nail close to each other, and then grab a different color and then put in 3 drops of that different color around the same area of the previous drops, and then do one big swirl to kind of swirl it all together, and that basically ends up looking like a beautiful petaled flower.